If you've been searching for a joint support supplement, you might have come across Joint Genesis, which markets itself as a doctor-formulated product packed with natural ingredients that are supposed to help reduce inflammation, ease stiffness, and promote overall joint health. On paper, it sounds like a great solution for anyone dealing with joint discomfort or looking to maintain healthy mobility. But when you start peeling back the layers, there are some important things to consider before jumping in. For starters, Joint Genesis doesn't have any verified FDA approval or GMP certification, which is often a key factor in establishing a product's safety and manufacturing quality. The marketing tactics also raise some eyebrows, with aggressive sales pitches highlighting limited-time discounts and big savings. It starts to feel more like a hard sell than a trusted health supplement. The product claims to address a wide range of joint issues, almost suggesting it can fix everything related to joint pain, which can be a red flag because it's rare for one supplement to have such sweeping effects. Moreover, there's a clear lack of transparent clinical research or peer-reviewed studies made available to support these claims, leaving consumers with mostly marketing language rather than evidence. Another downside is the customer reviews. Many appear to use generic stock photos instead of genuine testimonials, and independent feedback or third-party reviews are sparse, making it tough to gauge real user experiences. While the natural ingredient list is a plus and the concept holds potential, the absence of scientific validation and questionable marketing methods make it hard to fully trust Joint Genesis without more concrete proof. If you're considering this supplement, it's a good idea to weigh these concerns carefully and consult with a healthcare professional before making any commitments.